intentional enthusiasm, belief, vision, gratitude. I was reminded of the power of these elements from an unlikely source early one morning. I was on my way to do my radio show on KTFM, and I pulled into a Taco Cabana. And out of the speaker came this beautiful voice that said, "Welcome to Taco Cabana. How may I serve?" I thought, oh, well, they have recordings now. I gave my order. The same voice then said, "All right, I'll have it for you. Come right on up." Now I was really intrigued. Well, as I pull up to the window, this lovely lady named Ruby says, "Hi, my name is Ruby. What is your name?" "I'm Sonny." She puts her hand inside my window. Well, and then she says, "We're making some fresh bacon. Did you want some fresh bacon? Oh, did you want 2 sweet and lows, honey?" I'm getting 5-star service at a drive-thru. I couldn't wait to get on the air and tell my listeners about Ruby, and I couldn't wait to get off the air to write a letter to Taco Cabana. Well, as time went on, come to find out that Ruby was recently divorced. Her husband came home one day and said, "I do not want to be married anymore." It was as if she had the rug pulled out from under her. And how easy it would have been for her to say to herself, "What happened? I had everything. And now I'm working in the middle of the night. How will I get my 13-year-old son to college?" Well, that was not her attitude. Her attitude was one of enthusiasm. And one morning, she taught me a lesson that, well, I'll never forget. When you're on the radio, people are always asking you for prizes, CDs, money, all kinds of things. Well, one morning she says to me, "Sonny, I was wondering, you wouldn't by any chance have any tickets for tonight's Spurs game, would you?" And I said, "No, Ruby, I'm sorry, I don't." Then she said, "Well, I would like you to have mine. You see, I've been voted Employee of the Month, and I cannot go. You're my best customer. I want you to have these tickets." Unbelievable. The power of intentional enthusiasm. This is Sonny Melendrez, and over the last 30 years, I've had the honor and the pleasure to host events nationally and internationally. From the White House Hispanic Heritage Awards in Washington, D.C., to the 50th anniversary of the USO Worldwide in Paris, France, and countless programs across America. My goal has always been to make everyone shine on and off stage. Each presentation takes on a life of its own, and I've learned that much can happen that wasn't in the script. Well, I'm proud to say that I've been able to handle it all and made sure that the occasion was special for everyone involved. May I say thank you for your interest, and that I look forward to making your day a very special affair. So bring down the house lights, cue the spot, and turn up the mic. It's showtime.
Hosting tonight's Demo Music Awards, Mr. Sonny Melendrez.